Karishma Nathani welcoming you to the e-learning class. Today we are going to learn lesson number 16. Can, may, should, must, which are known as modal auxiliary or modal.
Modals are types of helping verbs that show a speaker's attitude about what they are expressing. Modals help to express ability, permission, possibility, necessity. Modals. There are 9 most commonly used modals: will, would, can, could, shall, should, may, might, and must. Let us understand how modals are used. The modal can is used: A. To indicate possibility. Example, this work can be done on time. B. To express ability. He can speak English. C. And sometimes to make a request. Can you please help me? Is A. The past tense of can. He can solve the puzzle changes to he could solve the puzzle. B. Used to indicate the possibility in conditional sentences. If I had money, I could buy the house. C. Used to request for something. Could you lend me your pencil? May is used: A. To seek permission. May I come in? B. To indicate higher possibility. The restaurant may be closed. C. To indicate future intent. I may sing well. B. Confusion while using can and may. Can indicates the ability to do things. For example, I can lift this box. It shows that the person is capable of lifting the box. May, on the other hand, is used to ask for permission. For example, may I come in? A. To indicate possibility. It shows a lesser possibility than may. Take a look at this example.
There are black clouds all over. It may rain.
This sentence shows that there is a possibility of rain in near future.
I don't think so. It might rain.
The boy is doubtful that it may or may not rain due to the sun appearing out of clouds. Might indicate that the chances of raining are much less. Is used as a commitment. It also implies speaker's willingness to do something. It is used: A. To indicate that the action will be done in future. I will sing at the concert. B. For making requests. Will you have tea or coffee? C. To indicate promise. I will complete my assignment today. A. Used as past tense of will. I will examine the patient changes to I would examine the patient. B. To express wish or desire. I would like to buy a balloon. C. To indicate a conditional request. Would you please close the door? It is used: A. With first person. I shall begin the work tomorrow. B. As an offer to help. Shall I help you? C. Asking for suggestion. I'm tired. Shall we go out and play? D. Asking for advice. What shall I wear for the party? A. It is used to express duty and obligation. For example, you should say please if you need something. B. It is used to express necessity. For example, you should work hard. C. It is the past equivalent of the modal shall. For example, I shall reduce my weight. You should reduce your weight. Please note, shall expresses desire but should lay emphasis. A. To indicate obligation or compulsion. You must return by 12 midnight. B. To indicate determination. I must finish the work at any cost. C. To indicate a strong possibility. The treasure must be hidden somewhere here. Types of helping verbs that show a speaker's attitude about what they are expressing. There are 9 commonly used modals: can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might. Help the speaker to express ability, permission, possibility, necessity.
Let's start with your text exercise. First is indicate if can and can't show ability A, possibility B, request R, permission PR, or offer O in these sentences. As we know, can and can't shows ability, possibility, request, permission, or offer. We have to read this sentence. If this sentence shows ability, so we have to write A. If this sentence shows possibility, then we have to write P. If it shows request, then we have to write R. If it shows permission, we have to write PR. And if it shows offer, we have to write O. So let's start. First is, can I borrow your book? Question mark. It is a permission. So we have to write PR. We are taking permission that we can use your book or not. Second is, they can't have reached Mumbai already. So it shows possibility that they are not still reached Mumbai. Can you help me with my homework, please? Requesting sentence. So we have to write R. Then I can't see the kite very clearly in the sky. It shows ability that can or can't. You can show sky. You can show kite in the sky or not. So it shows ability, can or can't. Next is, complete these sentences with may or may not. Use the words in bracket as clues. As you can see, we have clues in the bracket. We have to put there that clues with may or may not. So let's start. We dash taste yesterday. The teacher said he was going to take one this week. So answer is, we may write our test today. The teacher said he was going to take one this week. Then Shraddha dashed the last piece of cake. She was hungry. Shraddha may eat the last piece of cake because she was hungry. You dash for a trip with your friends. You will have a good time. You may go for a trip with your friends. You will have a good time. The next exercise is, complete the sentences with should or shouldn't. Use the words in the bracket as clues. Same like the previous exercise, but it is from should or shouldn't. That was may or may not. It is should or should not. So let's start. You dash when someone is speaking. It is rude. Then answer is, you should not talk when someone is speaking. It is rude. Ravi dash for the team. He plays well. Bracket is bat. Answer is, Ravi should bat for the team. He plays well. You dash the cat. It has been hungry for a while. Into bracket feed. Answer is you should feed the cat because it has been hungry for a while. Next is complete the sentences with must or must not. Use the words in bracket as clues. So, Jan dash her hair. Jan must comb her hair. We have to comb our hair. Kiran dash hard. Her exams are approaching. Kiran must study hard because her exams are approaching. We have to study hard because our exams also are approaching. We dash those who are in need. We must help those who are in need. It is very good. So, like this way you have to complete all your text and fair exercise properly.
Thank you.